Good morning, all. Am I audible, man? Hello. Hello. Good morning, all. Am I audible? Not audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Yesterday, the last one we are doing is the rectangular lamina, no? Am I right?
Yes, sir. Rectangular lamina.
Now let's continue ahead with further objects. We have seen the rods and all. Like that, if we proceed, we will get some more objects. What else we need is uniform solid sphere.
Yes, sir.
See, for this integration is quite complicated. We don't require, just give the end result. So this is the sphere. Okay. Now, suppose it is about an axis. That means if you take this around this, it is I equals, understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose about a tangent we need. See, this is the sphere. You need tangent. Suppose I want to know about this tangent. This is some I will take. Okay. Already you know about this now.
Yes, sir. We know about diameter. 2 by 5
This
mass.
is the axis to the center now.
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but ICM only, no?
ICM, sir.
And the distance between them is D equals R, no?
Yes, sir.
Now we can see that by parallax theorem. What is I?
Sir, ICM plus MR square. Yes. 2 by 5 R square plus MR square.
Look this.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes.
So 1 minute, sir, please.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Next one is nothing but a spherical shell, no?
Yes, sir. Spherical shell.
Okay. Now, in case of a spherical shell, this is hollow. You can take any diameter. See, this is remember hollow will be having more moment of inertia than solid.
Yes, sir.
Already we studied, remember, because more mass will be farther from the axis of rotation. Remember that or not?
Yes, sir. Remember.
Now, wherever we require the reasoning, the derivations of equations, I am giving. It will be helpful for doing any problems. So, the sphere and all will never use any derivations. Only the result will be using.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, it is given, I told you, no, in theorem it is there, but you don't require. Suppose we need about this. What you will do? You will take,
Through center. Center of mass.
this is already, no.
Yes, yes, sir. We know.
So you can see that I is nothing but about an ICM plus mass into d square. 2 by 3 mr square finish it this.
Yes, sir.
Return this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you can see the length of the cylinder is L, the radius of the cylinder is R. Okay. Now suppose we need about its own geometrical axis. About that axis we need. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is the axis. Now, if you observe carefully, without integration, easily you can get the answer for this. Can you tell what it is? See, if you observe this, this is consisting of what are these called? Several parts. Each one, can you tell?
Circles.
You cut a cylinder into slices. What you will get? Use
Rings,
a knife
sir.
and cut, man. Huh?
Rings. Disc. Disc.
Ah.
But
So
there is
here, solid cylinder can be considered to be made up of several discs.
Ah,
Understood this? Can I write like this?
yes,
Now
sir. You
let
can
us
write.
consider one disc. This the mass is dm, no? So what is the moment of inertia of this? Remember for disc what you got?
Mars 5 by 4.
Huh? By 2, no?
Yeah.
Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
So you want to know the moment of inertia of the entire cylinder, integrate this. So integrate or integral of dm r square by 2, out of which r square by 2 is constant, can be taken out of integral.
Yes, sir.
If you add up all this, what is this? Total mass of cylinder, no?
Total mass of C.
This is sum of all dm's, no?
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but mr square by 2. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Completed, sir.
See, those who are having board exams or any problem, please don't miss physics class, because this moment of inertia, if you miss, all problems will start in engineering also. Suppose you are unable to attend due to board exams, call me once at night time. I'll ensure that something else, alternative things will take place. In the interest of your own career, I am saying. Otherwise, it will be torture for ultimately you have to face the torture, no?
Yes, sir.
Parents or anybody can only show sympathy. They cannot study for you, no? You have the person who to bear all this. So ensure your presence on regular basis. Another 30 days, man, that's it. April 10th will be completing. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Usually for senior batches I'll give my yesterday I told I'll take class now, but I have to take for seniors, I couldn't take. Next year seniors, you will be seniors now. Your first preference will be for seniors only. Always outgoing batch, we concentrate more
Yes,
because they have to write final exams. No?
yes, sir, they have.
Yesterday they asked some topic because they are having again second phase, no?
Yes, sir.
About an axis perpendicular to geometrical axis. See, what he says is this is the cylinder. This is the geometric axis, no? What is this called? Geometric axis.
Geometry guys.
This is the center you have.
Yes, sir.
This is what he says. Okay. See, upon
Yes, sir.
little bit of integration, we don't require that. L square by 12 r square by 4, where this is L, no,
Yes, sir. Got it.
next. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
One minute, sir. Yes, sir, completed.
Okay. About this geometric axis. Now, if you observe this, if you cut all this into several parts, what is that you will get?
This.
Each
Sir.
part.
Rings. Rings. Sir.
Hmm. So, cylinder. Okay. Now we can see that if you consider one ring about this axis, this is mr square. Remember?
Yes, sir. Remember.
Out of this, r square is constant, you can remove, no?
You can remove.
This is nothing but mass of cylinder, no?
Yes, sir, mass of cylinder.
So what do you get here?
Yeah,
mr square.
yeah, mass.
Finish it this.
Yes, sir, completely.
Then as before, about an axis perpendicular to see we need about this axis. So here earlier what you got man previous thing L square by 12 no plus r
Yes, sir.
square by 4 you got here you'll get r square by 2. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
So these are the only objects you have within your curriculum. Okay? Because in the world there are infinite number of objects. We need not read everything. Is it clear? So if you know this, it's
Clear,
more
sir.
than enough. So we have seen parallax is there, perpendicular is there, everything. Na?
Yes, sir, we have seen.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
So with this and these relations need not be remembered as you go on doing problem. Your secondary memory records all this. See, you never practice the names of your friends now, or your
Yes.
relations. You never practice. Automatically, secondary memory gets recorded. Go on using them. So don't think much about that.
Yes, sir.
See, this is one planar body. See, these are two axes. One axis is this. Say this is the center of mass. Okay. Suppose the moment of inertia about this is I1. This is I2. Find the relationship between the mass of the object is m. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
See here, what you'll do? Take on axis like this. This is an axis, so I'll call it as ICM now.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll be using parallel axis theorem for this set. I1 is ICM plus mass of the body into h square. I2 is ICM into mass of the body into b square. So I1 minus I2 is nothing but m into a square minus b square. This is a relationship between I1 and I2, no?
Yes, sir.
Finished this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
See, use your basic logic, man. Automatically do physics. For example, suppose they ask like this.
Sir, can you once please turn the page, sir? Thank you, sir.
Right. Suppose they ask like this. The first doubt what you'll get is, "Arey, this idiot did not teach this." The doubt you'll have automatically. As human beings, we try to always blame third persons, no? So they ask this. Now what I say is, instead of thinking in that way, let us use the gift of God, our brain. What He has given this one now? we don't know about this really, and it's very headache for integrating this. Now, can you construct any other object with this, which is symmetrical?
Yes, sir.
Can we make any other object from this, which is symmetrical and known to us? It should
What
be
are the-
symmetrical, and its moment of inertia should be known for us. What we can do?
We can cut it off.
Right. That means what I do is I will construct a disk from using two semi-disks.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Understood properly? So this is one disk. Usually I'll construct another disk. Means I'll add another disk for this. Now what is the total mass of these 2m only now?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So my new disk consists of one side I'm having this, and the other side this is nothing but this one only, no?
Yes, sir. Other side, other disk.
Now I know we need about this now. What is this equal to?
MR square.
2m
Yes.
by 2, no? mr square by 2. Remember this?
Remember, sir. Remember.
So this is nothing. This is, I'll take it as. Now I want half of this, no?
Yes, sir.
I want this part. Only one part. About the same axis. See, then what you'll have? I equal half of I1. What is that equal to?
MR square by 2.
Do you agree with this? Remember, to solve a problem in this manner, two things. It should be a symmetrical object. Second, you should know the moment of inertia of that body. Then you can do this. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finish it this.
1 minute, sir.
Usually what happens now, this part of the disk, see if it should be an integral multiple of this, half, one fourth, sorry, it should be part of this. You can express this as half of that, one fourth like that. Then it will be the same as whole disk. Whole disk, how much you got?
Whole disk MR square. Sorry. Yes, sir. MR square by 2.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Done, sir.
See. Now suppose you are having a situation, a small, this is or this is 30 degrees. I want moment of inertia of this about this axis. Understood what we are supposed to do?
Yes, sir.
How to find this? Can you tell?
The six parts. Sir,
Hello? Tell.
12 parts we can keep together and make a circle. Means circle.
Not circle, circular disc. How many parts you need?
12 parts, sir.
Huh?
12 parts.
Yes. So 12 parts will be kept. So that means I can say that this is one part. Okay, the remaining is totally. I'm going on adding this. So now this is nothing but 12 m only, no? And radius is how much? R only, no? So what is the moment of inertia about this axis?
Sir,
Total
12
mass m square by 2. Okay. Now I want to know about this. About this, what you will have here? 1/12 only, no?
120, sir.
How much you are getting?
Sir,
Is
mass
it
per
changing?
no, sir. Sir,
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Yeah.
Completed.
Writing, sir. 1 minute.
Any doubt?
No doubts, sir. Clear. Completed, sir.
Right. Now the other aspect of this is sometimes he'll say that something is removed, like center of mass. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See here, what you have to do now, first step is second. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Shall I turn this?
So
1 minute, sir.
This is the method. Now we have to use this. So in this problem, is what? See, remaining this is mass is m, no?
yes, sir. M by pi pi r square.
Whole disk minus this one, no? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Removed, yes, sir. Removed one.
Do you agree with this?
3 pi r square.
Is it correct
Yes, sir.
only?
Agree.
Because whole area is pi r square minus pi. This is the removed portion. He gave mass of the remaining disk, no, not the original disk. Study that, read that carefully.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Now follow these steps. That's all. 1, 2, 3. Your problem is solved.
Yes,
Shall I turn this?
Just a
yes,
minute, sir.
sir.
Done, sir.
Done,
Now,
sir.
what is the first process we need, man? First, consider first step 1. Find the moment of inertia of whole disk
Yes, sir.
about just the axis. Is what is the mass of this disk?
Sir,
Agreed.
agree, sir.
Mass,
Yes, sir. Whole
no,
area.
mass per unit area into area of this disk. Do you agree this or not?
Agree, sir. Agree,
Hello.
sir.
So this
Agree,
is
sir.
mr square. That is sigma pi r square into r square. This is what you got 4m by
No,
3 pi r square into pi r square into r square. What do you get? 4 mr square by 3. Do you agree with this?
agree, sir.
Next, what I said about this one disk is removed, no?
Yes, sir. Discussion.
Removed portion, no? We need about this. You want to know about the same, about this axis only we need. You have to find I removed about this axis. Okay. You know that what is the ICM for this disk, no? Mass of this disk. What is the mass of the disk? Sigma into pi r by 2 whole square. Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Mass of the removed disk into the radius is how much he gave?
R by 2.
Mr square by 2. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
This
Sir,
is
one more
the
doubt, sir. Sir, in I hole also we have to take mr square by 2 now, sir.
by 2 you are not taken. Huh?
Yes, sir.
2 by 3 Mr square.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Clear? Now, what is the moment of inertia about this means? ICM plus by parallax theorem I can use, no? Mass of the
Yes,
disk
sir. We can.
m1 into what is that d square. Now we need about this, no? ICM is
Yes,
how
sir.
much you got? Sigma
Uh,
pi mr square by 2 plus what is the mass of the disk?
yes, sir.
And this is nothing but r by 2 whole square. Do you agree with
R
this?
by 2. Agree, sir.
So now shall we simplify this? How much it comes to?
So, sir,
Sigma
3 by
into
2
pi into
R by
r
2
square is r power 4 now. 4
R
4.
power 4 by 6,
This is
16.
4 4 16. 16 32 you will get. Plus sigma pi r power 4 60.
So,
Any doubt is there till here? So this
mm,
comes to how much? Sigma pi. If you take LCM, this is
yes,
2 sorry, r power 4
by
plus
16.
2 r power 4. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. No doubt.
So this is sigma pi 3 r power 4 by 32. What is sigma already you know?
Yes,
4m by
3 by R.
3 r power 4 by 32. Pi will go. R square will go once. This is 4 8 32. What you are getting? 3
Yes,
m r square by, okay, 3 3 will also go away. 8. Any doubt is there? Check up.
No doubt.
sir, no doubt, sir.
Now, what is that we can use simply as given? So, about what axis you need that you should get. That means I of the given disk or residual after removal. I of whole minus I of removed. This is how much? 2 by 3 mr square, mr square
Yes,
by 8. Am I right?
yes, sir. Right, sir.
You'll be getting this.
Yes, sir.
Sir, remove the page and open downward, sir.
You just check up mass of the removed portion is correct only. Sigma into pi.
R by 2 whole square.
Correct only, no?
Yes, sir. Correct only, sir.
Radius r by 2 only, no? You gave.
R by
You
2,
do
sir.
you do it by yourself. Understood your method now.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Do it by self. Because the answer is not matching. He gave 5 by 8 mr square. Check up. The masses might be wrong. Check up.
Yes, sir. Checking, sir.
Hmm.
Small m is a mass of the removed disk, na, sir. Small m.
Pardon?
Small m is the mass of the removed disk, na, sir.
M1.
Yes, sir.
How much you are getting that one? Fine.
Yes, sir. Doing that.
Max square by 24 only, sir.
That is the only mistake we have done. The small m should be m by 3, no?
Yes, sir, m by 3. And yes.
Why am by 3 sir?
You have done everything correctly. Here we wrote wrong. This is correct. This is also correct. You are getting this m by 3. Do it carefully.
Yes, sir, m by 3, sir. Yes, sir, m by 3.
Hmm. Then you have m by 3, 2 by 3 mr square minus do it carefully. How much? Any answer?
Getting this,
A minute, sir.
getting the same answer, sir.
Hmm?
Same answer, sir. 2 by
Same
24.
answer you are getting, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mass we got a by 3. Yes.
No. Final answer is same.
Yes, sir, same, sir.
That is not matching with the given answer. Okay, anyhow, what is that sigma you got? You tell. You just briefly will complete this.
So, sigma is 4m by 3 pi r square.
We agree with this.
Yes, sir. Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
First, we'll to avoid confusion. I'll find this. Mass of whole disk is how much? Sigma into pi r square. So this is sigma is 4 by 3 m by pi r square.
So, pi r square by 2 na, sir.
Huh? Mass I am saying.
But before you do it by pi r square by 2, sir, you wrote before.
Revo, what you are seeing, man, this is full disk. This is what I am saying. Remove. See?
Yes, sir.
Sir, one doubt.
Bra,
Mass of the radius, sir, radius is r by 4, no, sir.
yes. This is whole disk, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
R square will go.
5 will also go, sir.
What you are getting?
1/3.
Now
Yes,
you
sir.
this whole disk about this axis. What is that you have here?
Yes.
M2 R square. Now we are about this axis. How much you have? M1
Oh,
MR square by 2, no?
yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
So about this axis, I removed portion we need. This is about center of about this axis means ICM plus mass of the disk. What is the distance between them? R by 2, no?
Or waiting, sir.
Okay. Now what
Yes,
we
sir.
need this I remaining disk. What you should do? I of
We have
whole
to
minus I remove.
minus I of.
Now do it
Yes,
carefully.
sir.
M2 R square by 2 minus removed portion. See here only substitute will be easy for us. Otherwise mistakes are prone. 4m by 3 into R square by 2. 2 will get cancelled. 2mr square by 3. For this you have m1 is how much? M by 3 R square by 8. M by 3 R square by 4. This gives you how much? Mr square if you take common. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 is how much?
3/8.
4 no 8 if you take common 2. 3 by 8.
3 by
3 by
8.
8, 3 will get cancelled now.
Yes, sir.
Now substitute this m2 r square by 2, 2mr square by 3 you got. This whole thing is mr square by 8. 16 mr square minus, correct only. How much you are getting? Previously also we
21
got the
or
same thing, no?
21, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any error is there?
No, sir.
Hello.
No error.
Understood this?
No error, sir. Understood, sir.
Understood the method now?
Yes, sir. Understood the method, sir.
Right. We will meet in the next class, okay? Right.
Yes, sir. So, 1 minute, sir. Completing, sir.
See, just to check up, understood the method now?
Yes, sir.
See,
Understood.
Yes, sir. Understood.
but do it carefully. That fellow gave the answer this much. some error we have done, or let us see.